Hey, come on, dude. I'm freezing. You gonna come on out now? I left like literally all these chips over here. You gonna come on out now so I can put this big tank in here? Come on out, bro. Sis, whatever. Ma'am. Come on, man. It's cold. It's like, I don't know. It's cold. Come on out. There we go. Out of the van. Come on. Pretty bird. No, no, don't go back in. You want to go out and go fly somewhere to the winter. All right. Hop on down. Come on. One more. Fly away. Come on. You flew up in there. You can fly out too. Trying not to rush you out of here, bro. But you gotta go. It's cold and I need to get this big ass tank in there. Hey, look over here. Say hi. There we go. I know what the heck you are. You're a cute little bird. Alright, cool. Off it goes. I don't know what the heck kind of bird that is. Looks like somebody's pet. Now, I know birds pick up like rocks and stuff to deal with digestion. It picked up like some little bitty, tiny, itty bitty pebbles and stuff back here. Maybe that's what it was doing. I don't know. Cute bird. Glad it's gone so I can get back to work.